Spaghetti. Ingredients: spaghetti 250 to 300 g, tomatoes or tomato paste 3 to 4 pieces or 2 tablespoons, garlic 2 to 3 cloves, olive oil or vegetable oil 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, dried oregano or basil optional, grated Parmesan cheese optional, water 2 to 3 litres. Instructions: 1. Boil the pasta. Bring a large part of water to a boil. Add a bit of salt to the water. Add the spaghetti and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, or according to the package instructions. Drain the water and mix the pasta with a little oil to prevent sticking. 2. Make the sauce. Heat oil in a frying pan. Finely chop the garlic and saute until fragrant, don't burn it. Add chopped tomatoes or tomato paste. Season with salt, pepper, and oregano or basil. Cook for 7 to 10 minutes on low heat until the sauce thickens. 3. Combine pasta and sauce. Add the cooked spaghetti to the sauce and mix well. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes with the lid on. Serve. Serve hot with grated cheese on top. Enjoy your meal.